Now, it's widely considered to be the Christmas song, and 25 years ago today, Fairytale of New York reached #1 in the Irish charts. The 1987 song by the Pogues, featuring Kirsty MacColl, has been reissued to mark its 25th anniversary, and as Philip Bromwell now reports, its appeal endures.
In the Christmas rush, it's still the track to stop people in their tracks.
It was Christmas Eve, babe.
I love it. I don't think it's Christmas till we hear Fairytale of New York.
Christmas spirit, I suppose, yeah. Kind of a nice Irish Christmas spirit.
Best Christmas song ever. Makes you think of Christmas.
So happy Christmas.
25 years ago today, Fairytale of New York reached #1 in the Irish charts.
But it's such a great song. It's got everything in it and taken from an angle that you would never possibly imagine. 2-hour bowsies in the drunk tank, wondering how badly their life had gone as to how badly it had gone. It's just perfect. And yet it's the most poignant song ever.
And the bells are ringing out for Christmas.
There were several demos of Fairytale before this version was released in 1987. FIACHRA Trench arranged the song's sweeping strings.
You asked me, am I proud? Yes, I'm proud of it. And I guess that's what it does. I said, oh yeah, I played a part in that, you know. But it's just such a great song. What can you say? It's a wonderful lyric. I mean, MacGOWAN is just a genius poet.
I could have been someone.
And 25 years on, what does Shane MacGOWAN make of Fairytale being considered the definitive festive favourite?
It's a great record, you know. I mean, and I'm proud to have been involved in it, you know. But also fond of hearing other people singing it in bars and things, you know.
Which will doubtless be the case for many Christmases to come. Philip Bromwell, RTE News, Dublin.